Welcome to T3 Lesson 1, Lesson 34 overall. Today we learn entry styles. Whether you're watching Bitcoin or an index like the S&P 500, the same signal still calls for a different entry style from person to person. 3 things we'll cover: what aggressive, neutral, and defensive entries look like, and the risk in each, how to pick a style that fits your job, stress level, and free time, how scaling into a position can keep losses smaller. Think of it like a paycheck. Some people spend the whole thing the day it hits, others only spend a set slice on set days. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find a style that fits you and actually use it. Say a golden cross signal shows up on the Bitcoin chart. Everyone sees the same signal, the same way traders watch a breakout on the NAS. But how people enter differs.
Why?
First, spare trading capital isn't the same. Second, stress tolerance isn't the same. Third, how much of the day you can watch a chart isn't the same. So on the same signal, A goes in 100% to the moment it fires, B waits until the next day and puts in 60%, and C waits 5 days and only puts in 20% to near a local high. That isn't a mistake. It's the wisdom of matching your schedule, capital, and psychology. Style 1, aggressive. As soon as Bitcoin flashes a bullish signal, you enter right at the signal entry, no waiting. Upside. The earlier the signal, the closer you can get to the start of a move, so potential return is higher. Downside. The signal can be a fake out, so stop-out risk is larger. Aggressive traders only risk an amount that won't shake their life if they lose, say 1 to 2% of monthly take-home. On a below 5,000 paycheck, that's roughly below 50 after 100 of loss you're willing to absorb, about the cost of a few coffees and a lunch, not rent. Day traders, scalpers, or anyone who can watch charts live during work tend to use this style. Style 2 is neutral. When Bitcoin shows a bullish signal, you wait a few hours or a full day to confirm it's real before you enter. Example: signal Monday morning, recheck Monday evening, then enter. You may miss the first tick of the move, but you cut the odds of getting trapped by a fake signal. Style 3 is defensive. You wait several days after the signal, enter only once the up move confirms again, and a stronger structure has formed. The same patience you'd use waiting for an S&P 500 swing to prove itself. This fits people who are too busy at work to watch charts often, or who just want calmer trading. Stop-out odds are lower, but you may miss some winners. Here's a key technique: scaling in. If you want about 10,000 of Bitcoin, you don't buy it all at once. You split it into 3 or 4 buys.
이그젬플, $3,000 더 퍼스트 시그널, $3,000 더 넥스트 데이, $4,000 A 데이즈 레이터, $5만 그러면 $49,000 그러면 $48,500.
Your average is about $49,167. All-in aggressive at $50,000 leaves your average at $50,000. Splitting improves your average entry and caps damage if the signal was wrong. Often just the first $3,000 slice takes the hit. Defensive traders should use this every time. Aggressive and neutral traders use it too to keep losses smaller. So what's the right answer? Is aggressive best? Neutral? Defensive? Honestly, there isn't one correct style. The real answer is, trade a size that won't shake your life if you lose. Ask yourself 3 things. How much loss can I handle in a month? When during the day can I actually watch a chart? How hard does a stop-out hit my stress? Then choose. Can take more loss plus lots of screen time plus low stress grammar aggressive. Middle of the road grammar neutral. Small loss budget plus little time plus high stress grammar defensive. You don't have to copy someone else's playbook. The best style is the one that fits your life, whether you trade crypto or watch Fed-driven moves in US equities. T3 Lesson 1 in 3 points. Same signal, different entry styles by person. Aggressive, neutral, and defensive each have trade-offs. Scaling and can cut losses from fake signals a lot. Most important rule: only trade amounts that won't shake your life. Roughly 1 to 2% of your paycheck as a loss budget should leave daily life untouched. Next up in T3 Lesson 2, Position Sizing. How to calculate exactly how much to trade for the style you chose today. This lesson is for education only. It does not guarantee investment results or profits, and you alone are responsible for every trade outcome.